Alright, so we got the Hawas Black Eau de Parfum here. This is the unboxing, and I just want to show how it looks like. On the top, there's a Arabic sign, and it says Rasasi on the back, and there is with the reference numbers. And I don't know if you can see fully everything on my camera. It's very hard to show everything, but I will do my best. Alright, let's do the unboxing. And then first impression. Oh, this is the very strong. The packaging so far looks great. Okay. I like how it shines. Ooh, this is like a snake skin here. Wow. Alright, let's move to the bottle. Here's the bottle. Ooh, that looks very, very solid. Ooh, you got the snake here on the cap. Ooh, that's heavy. Ooh, look at that sound. Alright, so we got some sort of Arabic saying here. I don't know what does it mean. So this is Eau de Parfum, Rasasi Hawas, manufactured on, is it MFG, August 2024. Alright, that's good. Alright, let's take a look on. Ooh, that's spicy. Nice. Opening it's nice. Alright. I like it so far. Stay tuned for the full ranking. I make sure to give it to my wife, and then let's see what she loves about it, and overall the reaction. Thanks so much.